In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, Google Finance is a clear, free way to stay on top of the markets. Let's walk through it step by step. To begin, open your browser and go to google.com/finance. The homepage gives you a snapshot of what's moving right now. You'll see an overview of market trends, featured companies and major indices with names like General Motors, Alphabet Class C, and Ford highlighted. You'll also find top financial headlines from around the world, plus quick views of currency exchange rates and the growing crypto market. It's a convenient dashboard that surfaces the big picture at a glance. If you're signed into your Google account, you'll also see your personal watch list. This is where the stocks and assets you care about are collected, so you can check them quickly without searching each time. When you're ready to look up something specific, use the search bar at the top, type a company name or its ticker symbol if you know it. For example, AAPL will take you to Apple, Reliance NSE will show Reliance on India's national stock exchange, and BTC USD will bring up Bitcoin priced in US dollars. If multiple listings appear, pick the one that matches the exchange and region you follow. After you open a result, you'll land on a detailed page. Here you'll find the current price, the day's range, market capitalization, and key metrics like the PE ratio and dividend yield. You'll also see financials and related news to give you context beyond the price. Keep in mind that some market data can be delayed depending on the exchange, so use it as a guide rather than a final execution quote. If you want to track that stock or asset, click follow. It's added to your watch list, so future updates are easy to monitor from the homepage. Clicking on the chart lets you explore interactively. You can change the time frame to 1D, 5D, 1M, 6M, YTD, 1Y, 5Y, or max to analyze performance over different periods. Hover your cursor over the line to see precise values at specific points, which is helpful for spotting trends and understanding how news or events aligned with price moves. To compare one stock with another, add a second symbol for a side-by-side view. This makes it easier to evaluate relative performance and volatility. And that's the tour. Explore each section, practice using the search and charts, and build a watch list that reflects your interests. With a little routine, Google Finance becomes a reliable companion for staying informed and making more confident decisions.